time frame tomorrow. So high pressure is working offshore, and here's our system out towards the west, right? Notice the rain starting to develop ahead of the front. That's our concern for some of the stronger thunderstorms tomorrow, because we're going to get pretty warm, up near 70 degrees, right? The thunderstorms starting to develop ahead of the system, in the warmth, in the instability, right? That's our concern, but it's after the sunset time frame, after 4 o'clock, before those rumble in. So the majority of our Christmas Eve going to be dry, but then right after sunset, we'll watch the threat to ring in. Now, all day, wind is going to be howling out of the south. We're going to get gusts over 40 miles an hour, especially in the afternoon, kind of setting up and preheating the oven for these thunderstorms to roll in. So that's widespread for sure. Windy day for all of us. Now, the thunderstorms going to likely be the strongest for northeastern North Carolina communities as they really start to rumble in after sunset. And in some of those stronger thunderstorms, there could be damaging wind gusts upwards of 50 to 60 miles an hour. Also embedded in some of those thunderstorms, maybe a little bit of rotation, right? So while the threat is isolated, it is still there for any sort of tornadic activity, as well as any sort of flooding, because we've had some soaked grounds recently and we've not had enough time to dry out. So maybe some low-lying areas may have a tough time draining when this is all said and done late Thursday night, as we welcome in a good amount of rain, maybe an inch to inch and a half. Also, we'll have to watch the high tide by Thursday afternoon, especially for northeastern North Carolina communities with that southeasterly breeze all day. Now, after a day where we get to nearly 70 degrees tomorrow, despite the lack of sunshine, behind this approaching front, man, comes some cold air. We're going to see temperatures plummet through the 40s into the upper 30s at times on Friday, and on Christmas Day, our highs are going to struggle to get out of the low 40s. So a cold, blustery day for Christmas Day. Tom, we'll take you through FUTURETRAK, talk a little bit more